Did you know that some of the world's most extravagant football stadiums might promise more than they deliver? From towering tridents to sound rooms crafting emotional echoes, are teams selling dreams too grand to be grounded? Pause to reconsider. Are these designs shaping reality or stretching truth? Discover how billion-pound plans challenge what's truly possible. In the realm of modern football, the design of stadiums has evolved into a complex interplay of aesthetics, branding, and structural integrity, often reflecting the stark divide between elite stakeholders and the marginalized fan base. The recent unveiling of Manchester United's ambitious £2 billion stadium project serves as a case study in this dynamic. Architects, such as Chris Dyett from Arup, emphasize the emotional resonance of stadium design, claiming that the sound of a crowd can be manipulated through architectural choices. Yet, this focus on spectacle often overshadows the practical realities of construction, raising questions about the feasibility of such grand designs. Dyett himself acknowledges the limitations imposed by gravity, hinting at the potential disconnect between the envisioned and the actual. This pattern recalls the historical challenges faced by clubs like Liverpool and Newcastle, where expansion efforts have been stymied by their proximity to residential areas. The contrast between the elite vision of a stadium as a brand statement and the lived experiences of local fans is stark. While architects and club executives may revel in the grandeur of their designs, the reality for many supporters is a struggle to access these new spaces, often designed without consideration for the surrounding community. Professor Kevin Singh, head of the Manchester School of Architecture, notes that modern building techniques can bring many architectural ideas to life, yet they are often constrained by the existing urban fabric. This raises a critical question: who truly benefits from these developments? The elite stakeholders, with their financial clout, seem to dictate the narrative, while the voices of marginalized fans are often drowned out. Paradoxically, the very designs intended to elevate the club's status may alienate the very supporters who have sustained it through thick and thin. The historical parallel of the construction of the original Wembley Stadium, which faced similar critiques regarding its disconnect from the local community, serves as a reminder that the cycle of grandiose plans often repeats itself. As we look to the future, one must ponder the implications of such developments. Will the trend of prioritizing iconic designs over community needs continue, or will there be a shift towards more inclusive practices that honor the voices of all stakeholders? The rhetoric surrounding these projects often paints a picture of progress and innovation, yet the reality frequently reveals a different story. As Dyett warns against presenting designs that may never materialize, one must ask, are we witnessing a genuine evolution in stadium design, or merely a facade that masks deeper systemic issues? The future of football stadiums may hinge on the ability of clubs to reconcile their elite ambitions with the needs of their loyal fan base, fostering a more equitable approach to development that honors both tradition and innovation. In my view, the quest for ultramodern football stadiums often underscores the priorities of elite clubs and the billionaires behind them, leaving the true essence of community and sport behind. While remarkable designs like Manchester United's trident-inspired pillars could reshape architectural norms, they dangerously flirt with extravagance over practicality. What does it say about our society when neighborhood-centric redevelopment struggles prevail, yet flashy, billion-pound structures steal the narrative? It is striking that these designs perpetuate inequality, prioritizing spectacle over the realities faced by both local residents and fans. Are such grandiose ventures truly serving the sport, or merely feeding the ego of the powerful? Suscribit y de like para mantener informado.